I'm sure I'd like to ask what today's generation, what do they think about this? But I personally think anything that is human and natural should not be looked as anything that's odd
Yeah.
or strange or in a derogatory way, because we are shying away from who we actually are as a being. So I find it strange now that we still have to discuss this.
Yeah.
But I feel like
But it's opened the doors of discussion for
but
sure.
the good part is I feel
Yeah.
I feel like today's students and everyone in general today is a little. I mean, I think they've evolved and the people have moved on from, thinking of it like
The
as
flowers and all.
taboo.
No? Yeah.
Yeah, but I think anything that's human and natural should have dignity to it,
Yeah.
and should be graceful, because it is that actually. It's literally that.
You know, there was a long time back, आपको पता नहीं है, शायद पुरानी फिल्मों में umbrella होता था, flowers होते थे, and I think that just makes no sense anymore with so much of digitalization. You all know what's going on. It's a normal discussion that everybody has, and that's why I like it. For a long time, they used to say if the big stars come on board, then they normalize it, and that's how I think Tamanna, you all have been instrumental in that normalizing discussion that becomes so cool, and that's why the cool quotient comes in. So yeah. So just to make it cool, this is so awesome, but we've got like the coolest questions that people want to know about her. You want to know that? Yes. What coolest questions I'm talking about? Most online. So when you search for Tamanna, what do you search most for? I will show you all. Can we have the board out? And she's going to actually peel them out. And we're going to then, yeah, I want you to stand over here. That's Vinesh. Big round of applause for Vinesh. As we unravel these little bits, the first question is Tamanna Bhatia vegetarian? Are you a vegetarian?
So I just kind of do what my body asks me to. Like at some points I feel like I want to be vegetarian. There have been phases, actually years, I have been vegan. And then now when I feel like my body needs, to eat meat, I'm not like, I'm not married to any idea of what I should be eating. I listen to my body. I think the body is really intelligent. It tells you what it needs, when it needs. So listen to it.
I like it. This is the idea that should be bound by controls. Yeah. Actually, wait. I have to actually. How many of y'all get confused? Arms up. Yeah? And this side is not at all confused. How many of y'all get confused? अरे वीडियो तो हम भी दे देंगे यार, पूरा वीडियो ले
I'm
लेंगे.
an honorary South Indian.
So how many times have you been asked this question?
I'm really a Sindhi, but I'm an honorary South Indian. So well, trick question.
कितने लोगों ने आपसे ये
I
पूछा
answer
बचपन
this question at least once a day.
में? मिनिमम ना. चलो नेक्स्ट वाला.
Yes, Tamanna is
And Urdu word?
word.
इसका मतलब?
मतलब
तमन्ना भी नहीं, तमन्ना.
Tamanna means desire.
And that's it. Urdu.
Yeah.
Next. Okay. Southpaw?
I am right-handed. I don't know how that's very Googled. I'm not sure. That's strange. Why is it Googled?
वो मैं तो नेटवर्थ सोच रहा था. नेटवर्थ नहीं है इसमें.
Yeah.
Is Tamanna Virgo?
It's not possible. Only this is a Google question, isn't it? On the internet.
But they check first thing. What would be your most Google question? Net worth or no? Yes. Yeah? Tamanna? Are those net worth answers ever? Thank you so much, Vinesh. Thank you. Are they ever real? I mean,
I wish they were. But but I think the net worth is just all this. There's no, you can't put a tag to it. There's no net worth that will do what this does, because you can't buy this. I could spend any amount of money and it would still not match up to this. So my net worth is exponentially out there with all your love. Thank you.
wow, that big. Spoken like a true performer.
बदनाम करो एक्टरों को.
नहीं, but
How
excited.
Salil.
No, but tell me also, does it excite you also when you all go out there? Like a lot of us, you know, when we do jobs, तो आपको अप्रैल मई में जब आपकी इंक्रीमेंट हो रही है, they get very excited. पिछले महीने के मुकाबले इस महीने थोड़ी सी बेटर है. When you all sit down for negotiations on films and all, I know a lot of people like to know. Do you all just say आज हम because दो फिल्में अच्छी रही हैं हम इतना एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज करेंगे? ऐसे कभी डिस्कशंस होते हैं? Is that like a behind the closed doors या open discussions?
So as artists, I'm talking only about myself because I'm an individual. As an artist, I look at the creative aspect because that's what I understand. I have my father who manages my work, and I have a management team that manages my work. So, but as a creative person, I look only at my creatives. And of course, it's an expensive art form. So films are made with a lot of money. So yes, depends on how much is your market. That's how you're paid. So
So when
how
you
it
get
works
those-
in the world. If you're good at what you do, you get more for it. If
जब
you're not,
SMS आ जाता है of your bank account, you get excited. अरे वाह, मुझे इतना मिला इस पिक्चर के लिए. ऐसा होता है कभी?
ऐसा कभी नहीं होता क्योंकि मेरे फोन पे नहीं आता.
That's crazy. So you don't really know. तुम्हें नहीं पता है कि तुम्हारे पास कैसे आता है, क्या वो सब चीजें आप नहीं देखते हो बिल्कुल भी.
Fortunately, I have lot of people who can do that for me. So I'm focused on just finding ways to entertain you guys, to love you guys, to do something cool, to do something fun.
Instagram, I have to ask before I move forward. आप कभी भी DM चेक करते हो अपना? कितने millions आते होंगे दिन में?
Yeah, I mean I'm a lot on Instagram because I love the app. I think it's fun, it's interactive. I get to know what you guys think. I get to know what do you like. In fact, I would love to know what do you guys like in my posts. If there's something I could do more for you guys, which would make you like know a little bit more about me. So that would be great feedback.
So you have to basically make sure that you DM a right thing. वो बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. How do you all see that? Top of the line ऐसे होता है कि like you know when you do an ask man, let me just reply to these 3-4 people. Have you replied to fans a lot on DM?
Of course, yeah. There are times when people message, we definitely respond. It's lovely. In fact, those are the most authentic, moments we get where we get to know like people what they think. Like they'll be like, "आपका hairstyle अच्छा नहीं था."
अच्छा.
Like that is the comment you'll get. You'll get like random ideas from people, which I think is it's an opinion, and I think as actors, at least for me, I feel it's very important to know what my audience thinks because as much as I love playing different characters, I am doing this for the audience, so I always want to know their perspective.
I think we like a hairstyle, don't we? Yeah, you like the color? You like the hairstyle? I love it too as well. I love it in G Karda as well. Okay, so I'm going to open up to the audience. Because you all are sitting and she's doing this all for you all as well. I want you all to ask questions as well. Can we pass the mics around? Are you holding it or are you asking it? Okay, please go ahead. Just put that on. There's a button on that. Yeah, working.
Hello.
I like your biceps, buddy. Let's have a little bicep pose up there. Let's see it. Ah!
Thank you.
रोज अंडा खाता है लड़का. Well done.
Eat your protein.
All right, go.
Yeah, hi Tamanna, first of all.
Hello.
We've seen in the show that Rishabh proposes you after being drunk. Has it ever happened to you in real life, like in college and anytime?
No यार ऐसे किसी ने इतना fancy तो किसी ने propose किया ही नहीं है. If at all, I would have gone and proposed in a more dramatic way, but I don't know why the boys are so scared.
Are drunk
Are
people-
boys so scared in college also? I want to know. Just curious. No?
What?
Are boys scared in
She's
college
a
to
boy
Scared in
propose?
yeah, are you guys scared in college?
Yes or no? लड़कियां yes बोल रही हैं, लड़के no बोल रहे हैं. तो obviously it's not matching buddies.
So can someone just come and demonstrate what's an average proposal in college?
चलो तुमने सवाल करा. आ जाओ.
Like let's
आ
say
जाओ.
it's a scene, okay? So we are going to improv
ये out of syllabus question आ गया. Come.
because
And I want somebody who is going to propose
we need
to.
a lady.
Somebody who is
volunteer.
going to propose
We
to.
need a girl volunteer who will come and enact this scene.
See, 10 seconds ago, girls ने बोला कि लड़के नहीं propose करते. लड़की कौन है? Ah! Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. 10 seconds to think about, buddy, what you want to ask. Okay?
So I want to see how in 2023 a girl asks.
Okay, no, you're in the middle. You're in the center. You're here. Not you. You're walking up to her.
Do we have
She's in
chairs?
center.
Do we have chairs, guys? Anyone has chairs?
Chairs ka
Yeah,
proposal?
just let them be really comfortable. No? Why are we like putting?
No, he'll come and. Okay, you sit. Nah, standing is fine.
Whatever. You're comfortable standing. Both of you prefer standing.
Yeah.
Okay, ठीक है.
Abhi, wait,
prefer
actually, you don't
standing.
want any music? Yeah, you want this?
As long as बंदी हाँ बोल दे बैठे खड़े.
Acha. Wait. Don't. I'm going to give you a mic right now. Ready? And take your time, bro. मतलब आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड है क्या?
नहीं.
हाँ तो जल्दबाजी मत करना. थोड़ा टेक इट स्लो, ब्रो. है ना? और बंदी के सामने ये नहीं बोलते. As long as बंदी हाँ बोलते हैं. इसको थोड़ा साइड से बोलना होता है. 1 2.
साइड से कैसे आपने बोला है किसी को?
मैं 2 बच्चों का बाप हूँ यार.
आ जाओ.
Come. Ready?
Hi Asma.
Hi.
I don't know how to do this, but I'm doing it. कैसे भी.
यार तो पहले ही कैंसिल कर रहा है अपने आप को. यार आपको अगर प्रपोजल करना होता है ऐसा था. हाय आसमा. तो क्या है?
अभी ये
ऐसे कुछ
2023
करना होता है यार.
2023 में ऐसे कौन करता है? ऐसे कोई लड़का.
बेटा तभी तो सिंगल है. थोड़ा शिवलरी दिखा यार.
Okay, Asma. Hi Asma.
Hi, Vinay.
Hi, I have something to say to you.
Go on.
See, I am been noticing you from long, and I've seen that you have no friends at all. Wait. I'll never leave you alone. I'll be there with you till the very end. मैं तेरे को कभी जज नहीं करूँगा. तू जैसी है वैसे ही प्यार करूँगा और हमेशा तेरे को खुश रखूँगा. I love you.
थोड़ा स्टॉकिंग भी हो गया था. मैं कभी तुझे छोड़ूंगा नहीं. लास्ट तक मैं तेरे साथ रहूंगा. Did you like it? Boys.
Audience poll. Do you like it?
Only लड़कियां.
Red flag alert.
ब्रदर.
इन्होंने तो रेड पहना हुआ है.
जिम में तेरी जिम वाली जो दोस्ती वही चलती रहेगी. अभी ये-
जिम में मेरी
अच्छा,
पर्सनालिटी
one
होगी.
more candidate.
हाँ तो we'll now look forward there. Anybody?
Anyone?
And not. Yeah. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And woo her. WOO. उसको थोड़ा अच्छा बोल. Singing or whatever, or a Hrithik Roshan dance or whatever you can do.
सलिल के आइडियाज मत देना.
हाँ?
सलिल के आइडियाज मत देना. ऋतिक रोशन डांस.
Of course, he'll just come and dance at this. This is. Yeah, तेरा तो we are calling somebody else now. तेरा cancel हो गया. She said no to you, brother. Sorry.
सीधा जिम जाता हूँ.
अब एक जिम से देखो. ये तो कभी जिम देखा ही नहीं. Well done, brother. So we're obviously on the other side now. I love it. That didn't work at all. Okay, all over to you.
उससे नहीं. Okay. तू अचानक आ गई यूं नजर के सामने जैसे निकल आया घटा से शान. चेहरे पे जुल्फे बिखरी हुई थी दिन मेरा
Swipe right. Swipe right. The lady says swipe right.
Thank you very much, both of you are so sporting.
अच्छा, मुझे लगा था कि 2023 में कोई नए आइडियाज होंगे. तुम लोग के आइडिया सेम है.
But
कुछ
Tamanna,
नहीं बदला.
swipe right तो हुआ ना. That is the change.
लिंगो बदल गया. But
5 seconds, swipe left or right. है ना?
basically talent matters.
Okay. Now, any more questions?
Yes.
Let's
Questions, guys.
Let's take the mic around.
హలో మ్యామ్ ఐమ్ సూరజ్.
Hi,
ఫస్ట్లీ
Mumbai.
మీరు చాలా అందంగా ఉన్నారు మ్యామ్.
Thank you. Andy.
సో
For the others who didn't understand, translate now.
I
What did you
just
say?
said she looks very beautiful.
Oh, she does, man. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, that's honest. So I had a question about the show actually. So like the show, like you look at the show and you understand that it's about characters making mistakes and like owning up to it, and somewhere people do relate to that. So like it's something different from what you've done in the past at least. So how did you prepare for this role, and what kind of fears did you come across to do such character?
I think because I've been a part of more larger than life cinema, so that always had characters that were extremely ideal, righteous, aspirational, but I hadn't played a character who was flawed and just didn't know any other way to be. So I decided to do exactly that. To begin with, I think the biggest thing that we all face today, whether we are actors or not, is we judge ourselves a lot before anybody else can judge us. So the one thing I did not do is judge myself. That allowed me to feel what I needed to feel to be the part, and that's exactly what I did.
Thank you. By the way, ma'am, I really loved your song from Jailer, Kavalaya. It was
Really?
beautiful. I loved it.
Thank you.
Yeah, that is lit everywhere, man. That really
Thank
is there.
you
Yeah.
so much. Thank you. I'm glad you like the song. That's lovely.
All right, next who's up?
Hello, ma'am. Thank you so much for coming, first of all, and
Thank you.
you just look amazing. Means I don't have words. Come on, guys. Let's appreciate it. Come on. I mean, खुदा ने खूबसूरती बनाई है तो उसको appreciate करना बनता है. So you look beautiful, ma'am. So my question is, I saw the entire series. It's beautiful. The bonding between the characters is just amazing. So I want to ask you, do you have this real life bonding? Because of course it's childhood friends becoming adults, and then the entire setup is just beautiful. And how do you feel about it? How are you personally connected with the entire story?
I think, yeah, like I have a friend like Preet who I'm very very close to, and I think ये conversation जो आपने इसमें देखा, I think किसी ना किसी वक्त मैंने अपने best friend के साथ वो same conversation की है. So I think it's very true. Like women have these friendships which are like where there's so much like conversation, there's so much of warmth and love and affection. So yeah, I think that particular bond for me resonated very very strongly because गर्लफ्रेंड्स जितना भी लोग सोचते हैं कि लड़कियां मतलब दोस्त कैसे होती हैं and this is a new thing I've heard, like how can strong women be friends, some random stuff like that I've heard, but I feel like when you're friends you're just friends. I don't think it matters what you do, what you don't do. If you like being with someone, you are with them and you like them for who they are.
I agree. Do you have this line? Earlier it used to be when actors were very very good, especially the female actors, they said they couldn't be friends together because they were all considered very strong personalities. Has that changed over the years also? Within the industry also, are you all able to be friends because you're working together so much?
मैं दूसरों के बारे में नहीं बोल सकती, but I think for me it's always been like that. I don't understand only. I mean, you can't. What you professionally do is one aspect of it. हम सब कुछ ना कुछ करते हैं. We all have to go to work. We all have to earn a living. But उसके beyond, I mean, लोग भी तो होते हैं. It's totally normal to have friendships and good ones.
Yeah, it works. Well done. All right, perfect. Next, who's up? Right there at the back over there. A big round of applause. He's wearing a G Karda shirt. Well done. You followed the memo. Well done.
Hello.
Yes.
मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगा.
जो लैंग्वेज में बोलना बोल ले भाई.
मैम आपको क्या इंस्पायर किया एक्टिंग लाइन में आने के लिए? मतलब एक्टिंग लाइन में किसको, मतलब घर वाले सपोर्ट नहीं करते, तो आपको क्या इंस्पायर किया और क्यों आपने एक्टिंग साइड हाँ
That's actually बहुत ही स्वीट सा सवाल है. जब मैंने एक्टिंग करना शुरू किया था, मैं 15 साल की थी, तो मैं लिटरली आई वाज अ किड. बट मेरे पिताजी ने देखा कि मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है, मुझे कैमरा के सामने परफॉर्म करना या इन जनरल स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करना, लोगों के सामने आना, कुछ कुछ पेश करना मुझे पसंद है, दैट्स समथिंग आई लाइक डूइंग एंड ही नोटिस दैट. सो इट्स शायद मेरे माँ बाप ने ये फ्लेयर मुझ में बहुत ही बचपन में देखा और उन्होंने बोला कि yes of course this is a talent that you have and they chose to support it. और शायद अगर उनका सपोर्ट नहीं होता तो मैं शायद इतना दूर नहीं पहुंचती. इनफैक्ट टू बिगिन विथ मेरी माँ को ये पसंद नहीं था कि मैं एक एक्टर बनूं, क्योंकि उस वक्त पे इतना इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं था कि ये प्रोफेशन कैसा है, ये इंडस्ट्री कैसी है, लोग कैसे हैं. तो मेरे माता पिता दोनों ने एट सम पॉइंट और द अदर मेरे साथ ट्रैवल किया ताकि वो मेरे जर्नी को करीबी से देख सकें और मुझे करीबी से सपोर्ट कर सकें, ताकि अगर आई एम हैविंग अ बैड डे, कुछ मेरे लाइफ में अच्छा नहीं चल रहा, मैं किसी चीज़ को लेकर दुख में हूँ, वो हमेशा मेरे साथ थे. सो इवन दो इट्स यू नो इट आई वाज वेरी वेरी यंग, ये सपोर्ट मुझे अपने घर पे मिला. और जो आना चाहते हैं, बहुत मेहनत है, बहुत ज़्यादा आपको ये बहुत पसंद होना चाहिए. और पसंद का मतलब यही नहीं है कि आप सिर्फ ये जो चकाचौंध है आप ये देख के मत समझिए कि ये है काम. हमारा काम एक्चुअली एक लेबर का काम है, लेकिन हम अच्छे कपड़े पहनते हैं.
बट टैलेंट भी तो होना चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं, यू नो, कई बार
I you know Salil, one thing I've always said in being a part of the film industry is in my understanding have always given temperament over talent, because talent without good temperament does not survive.
that's a big round of applause ladies and gentlemen for that. Yes.
कुछ वक्त तक लोग आपको पसंद करेंगे, लेकिन आपने अगर कुछ अटपटा, कुछ मतलब बिल्कुल किसी को मतलब कुछ अजीब सा कर लिया जो लोगों के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, किसी के लिए भी अच्छा नहीं है, आई थिंक, और या तो कुछ अनप्रोफेशनल सा कर लिया जो आपके काम के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, वो कभी आपको आगे नहीं बढ़ाता. तो यू हैव टू बी जेन्युइन टू योर जॉब and love your job and surrender to it like it's some kind of a prayer.